Hey there, it's Miss Chirillo again. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to load your bobbin into your Brother sewing machine. So first, you want to make sure that your bobbin is loaded full of the color thread that you want to use. Remember, the thread that's on the bobbin coming from the base of the machine is a thread that's coming on the back side when you stitch your fabric. The thread coming from your needle is going to be your top stitch. So you can either use the same color as what's in your machine or a contrasting fun color if you're going to see it on the inside. All right, so what we're going to do is follow this diagram guide right here. So if you ever need a refresher, that guide right there is super helpful. And I'm just going to kind of teach you how to read it and use it. So our bobbin actually goes inside this space right here. This clear part of your machine slides forward if you press it down and push towards yourself, and then you lift it up and set it to the side. You're then going to hold your bobbin so that your thread is coming up and over the top, not down and under like this. The diagram right here shows you those same differences. It's saying you want the thread to come up and around the top like this, not this. We want it to look like this. Okay, so now we're going to set the bobbin inside the machine. All right, along with the picture diagram over here, the machine actually has a permanent diagram molded into the plastic in case this picture ever comes up, that sticker. So what you're gonna do is loop your thread behind this little metal groove. See how it just slid under that metal groove right there? I'll show it to you again. Slide it under that metal groove right there. I'll point it out to you with some scissors here. We are looking for, oops, this metal groove right there. That's what we're looping our thread behind. You're then going to bring it back around this handy dandy thread cutter, pull taut, and you're done. You're then going to replace this plastic lid on top. It's got these little teeth that tuck into the machine in the back, and push it, and you're done. So that is how to thread your bobbin, or excuse me, load your bobbin into your machine. Make sure that your thread is always coming up and over the top. You then set it in, loop the thread around the metal little groove, bring it up and around the cutter, down, and pull taut so it breaks off. Excellent job, guys. Your machine is ready to sew.